Alright, so for Wednesday, what you have to do today for your mentor sentence is you are going to be revising and making it better. Now, I asked you to really pay attention to the verb, okay? Run. Run is the verb we're going to pay attention to. Can we make that verb even better? Maybe not so boring, and maybe we can change it to something a little more vivid that can tell us how they ran, okay? So let's see. The children. Remember, I gave you on the slide before, I said maybe you could look it up in a thesaurus. And so I got a thesaurus off the shelf. And there's a few different runs in here. So we have to figure out the correct one to look at. The first one says to race, hurry, hasten, jog, or sprint. I'm pretty sure that is the one. Because like jogging and sprinting, that's the same thing, right? To govern, control. No, I don't want to run the school or run the government. No, that's not what they're doing. To operate or work. No, I'm not running a machine. Flow, stream, pour, or gush. Oh, that would be like leaving the water running in the sink. That's not it. Oh, campaign, electioneer. That would be like running for governor or president. Nope. Okay, so it's the first definition on here. Race, hurry, hasten, I can't say that word today. Hasten, jog, or sprint. Okay, so we need to decide which is the one we want to use. And any of them would be fine, probably. The children sprint to him. Ooh, that might be good. The children race to him. Jog. Jog would not match cheetahs right here. That would not work. The children hurry to him with the speed. I like the word race. The children, because I can imagine them next to each other all trying to get there first. So I'm going to change it to race. The children race to him. With the speed and grace of cheetahs. Okay, so sometimes revising is only about changing one word and just making the verb a little more interesting. Okay, and that's all we did today, and that's okay. That was a good revision. So a thesaurus is a great tool to make your words a little more interesting.